Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Horsetail Herb oil for extreme hair growth. In this video, you're going to need a clear jar. If you have a clear jar, this is what we're going to need in this video. Now I'll be showing you the oils I'll be using and their benefits in this video. As you can see, the first oil is going to be extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil has amazing benefits which moisturizes the hair and it reduces scalp irritation. So if you're battling with itchiness or dandruff, it's a great oil that you can use. And it's also a conditioning oil to help decrease friction and split ends. Moving to the next oil is pure almond oil. Pure almond oil, it's rich in vitamin B7 and also biotin, which helps keeps the hair and nails healthy and strong. Coconut oil, which also stimulates hair growth, getting deep into the hair follicles. And lastly, we have peppermint oil. I've already applied the olive oil into the jar, so I just added a little bit of it. So next, the olive oil, this is going to be like the base notes. If you know about perfumes, you would understand what I'm saying. And now I'm adding the pure almond oil, which is going to be the middle notes. The middle notes. And lastly, I'm going to be adding coconut oil, which is going to be the top notes, to top it off and mix all together. And then we're just going to be adding few drops of peppermint oil. You don't necessarily have to add peppermint oil, only if you are battling with excessive itchy scalp, then you can add few drops of peppermint oil. So it's not like necessary, but you can still add it. So guys, this is how the oil looks like. Can you take a look at this golden goodness? Hey, I will call this oil the golden oil. That's what I'm going to be calling the golden oil. So now I'm applying a bit of Horsetail Herb. This is actually a tablespoon of Horsetail Herb. I've already measured it. You don't need to apply a lot. This is actually okay. So this is a tablespoon of Horsetail Herb. Like behind the scenes, I just wanted to take some pictures of our golden oil. Doesn't it look heavenly, guys? Wow, look at how it looks like. I'm really admiring the way this looks like. Next, you're going to stir it thoroughly until it mixes properly. So you're gonna stir. You have to stir this properly, like very well, so that both are going to mix well together. You're going to close the jar and voila, this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to be looking like. For this oil, I recommend you leave this in a cool place for 1 week or more, depending on how long you want to leave it, so that it can get the nutrients from the Horsetail Herb. Because if you just apply the Horsetail Herb and you use it now, it has not absorbed the nutrients that you want to see. If you notice, the oil is not so dark, but after you leave it for a week, you would notice a change in color. The oil starts to get darker. So one thing you should keep in mind is, after 1 week, you can start to leave it for a month, but a month is okay. You don't need to leave it for more than a month. So that is what you need to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and also don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you guys next time.